weird flying drones again.
So weird. It feels so strange flying. Like, same shit every day. Alright.
Gun is lost, Richard. Put that gun back in your pocket, don't be a fool.
Operator, get me the police. I want to report on her.
I feel like maybe I'm losing my fucking mind. The rumors I'm on the rise and I'm using up all the shine. Getting shade from all these rappers who used to begin their prime, but truthfully they declined and their music ain't good as mine. If it's a movie, they painted me as the villain, the craziest dude to kill us, and Shady was what exhibit. The same ones hating or bagging me for some tickets, cause their girlfriend loves me, so maybe she'll let them hit it. I'm at the crib watching Menace to Society, drinking old English cause I'm fed up with sobriety. The cops told my neighbors that they better keep their eye on me. I'm screaming bloody murder just to better my anxiety. I got a list of names of rappers who could get the face or disobey. I'm climbing through your chimney like it's Christmas Day. Bullets ricochet, bouncing right off the window pane. Just missed the check you're with and split tissue between your chin and face. I told you once that trying to fuck with me's a big mistake. I'm laughing out loud at these rappers that
It ain't broke, I'm shocked.
I switch my plates and I'm driving across the
It's not broke. What the shit? Just unplugged. Kidding me? It's not broken. You gotta be kidding me. That was such a hard hit. Motor's still no, full of dirt. What's this one? The motors are still spinning. What are you doing? Kidding me? Damn, dude, look at this. Every prop on it's bent except for one. Wow, all kinds of dirt coming out. Oh look, like the little covers. They're all ripped.
Dang.
I thought it was broken, dude. That crack sound when it hit the ground, apparently it didn't break.
That's all it is. We need to re-examine things.
Gun is lost, Richard. Put that gun back in your pocket, don't be a fool.
Operator, get me the police. I want to report on her.
I feel like maybe I'm losing my fucking mind. The rumors I'm on the rise and I'm using up all the shine. Getting shade from all these rappers who used to begin their prime, but truthfully they declined and their music ain't good as mine. If it's a movie, they painted me as the villain, the craziest dude to kill us, and Shady was what exhibit. The same ones hating or bagging me for some tickets, cause their girlfriend loves me, so maybe she'll let them hit it. I'm at the crib watching Menace to Society, drinking old English cause I'm fed up with sobriety. The cops told my neighbors that they better keep their eye on me. I'm screaming bloody murder just to better my anxiety. I got a list of names of rappers who could get the face or disobey. I'm climbing through your chimney like it's Christmas Day. Bullets ricochet, bouncing right off the window pane. Just missed the check you're with and split tissue between your chin and face. I told you once that trying to fuck with me's a big mistake. I'm laughing out loud at these rappers that I humiliate. I switch my plates and I'm driving across the interstate with so many bodies inside the trunk that I can't hit the brakes. 6 o'clock news, this just in. Close your windows, lock your doors. There's a stick-up kid, he's on the loose. If you see him, please call police. His name is Mercules, we need to get him off the streets. 6 o'clock news, this just in. Close your windows, lock your doors. There's a stick-up kid, he's on the loose. If you see him, please call police. His name is Mercules, we need to get him off the streets.
And the cops coming for me too. Merc, hide this bag of blow. I'll stuff the Xannies in my shoe. And don't worry about the Adderall, you know that I'm prescribed. And the weed, shit, it's 2021, we all high. But as far as this dead body that's stinking up the Rover, fuck. Well, let's just hope that they don't pull us over. Cause on top of that, I got the AR with the extended mag, a Tech 9 and twin Berettas stuffed into that leather bag in the trunk. And I ain't registered to carry them, let alone use them. Shit, we better bury them when we bury the body. Wait, where's the shovel though?
You said you got it, didn't you?
Damn it, Merc, I fucking know. I even wrote it down in my notes. How'd I forget it? Forget it. We'll just torch the whip, don't even sweat it. Damn it, did I just run that fucking stoplight? Merc, please tell me those aren't cop lights. Alright, new plan, load the firepower for me. If we going down, then it's gonna be in a blaze of glory. Hey, copper, I'm who you here to apprehend. But first, please say hello to my little friend. 6 o'clock news, this just in. Close your windows, lock your doors, there's a stick-up kid, he's on the loose. If you see him, please call police. His name is Webby and we need to get him off the streets. 6 o'clock news, this just in. Close your windows, lock your doors, there's a stick-up kid, he's on the loose. If you see him, please call police. His name is Webby and we need to get him off the streets.
It landed. It still flies. It's not broken. It's not broken!
He's not broken, man.
It just needed props. And a couple of motor screws, no big deal.
Telemetry lost.